Quickly for this to know how to search up. I am glitching. Blue sack. I was green. Now I'm blue. Purple. And then brown. And we have to do black. Silver. Let's do this. Hashtag Spider-Man Dead. This doesn't usually happen. Come on! This doesn't usually happen. Hold on. Yes. There you go. Oh, come on. Okay. Are you serious right now? This doesn't usually happen to me. I go like that. Yeah, this level. Oh no! Okay, I haven't made it to this level yet. Okay, what's this? The highest score is... let me check. Yeah, that. Let's do this. My high score is 7,000. I don't know, 40, I guess. I don't like just getting it. I just practice, but I might rotate sometimes and do it. Power it. Power it. Power it. Power up. Power up. Power up. Power up. Oh. Well, my internet gone, so I'm playing this game instead. Because no internet game or no Wi-Fi game. This is where I have to change a bit. I don't know what's happened to my voice. And the blue hackers are powerful. I think they're good. 7 1 I forgot the number. I think they're 20. Heck! And this is why you have to react quickly before hackers get stuck. God! This is my high score yet. No. Got one more chance left. What by reading tickets to my high score? Okay, just one time, then I'm done. I'm near my high score. Oh, yippee, I passed my high score. God damn. Toga. No. Oh my god, this is my best high score yet. 10,000. That is my best high score yet. 11. Okay, I guess that's it. Bye bye guys.